J and InvestCare Foundation, we welcome our honorable guests, delegates and media fraternity for this roundtable interactive session on Rise of Civil Society, Participative Democracy or Anarchist Dictatorship. We want to thank you all for taking time out of your busy day to participate in this event and make this National Symposium a successful event in the history of Indian democracy. Today we will have an opportunity to discuss this important issue on a common platform where we will see active participation of some of the brightest minds. With this note, we would like to welcome our guest. Our main speaker today is Shri Sandeep Dikshit, who is the second-time member of Lok Sabha from East Delhi constituency. He has worked on rural development and human development issues over the last 15 years in the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. He has also worked with various voluntary organizations in the field as well as for research and advocacy. May I request Mr. Ajit Sinha to present a memento to Shri Sandeep Dikshit. The guest. Mr. Ajit Sinha is postgraduate in management with the sole motive of social welfare activities. An entrepreneur with focused optimism, Mr. Ajit Sinha has almost 10 years of experience in the field of investment advisory. Today, under his capacity of founder director, InvestCare has become a trusted and valuable name in the Indian financial system. At present, he is editor for monthly financial journal InvestCare Leisure. Before Mr. Ajit Sinha will do an address, I would request him to present a memento to the chief guest.
Gentlemen, respected guests, honorable delegates, and dear friends, I welcome you all to this National Symposium on Rise of Civil Society. It's truly a pleasure and moment of honor for me to welcome the distinguished participants here today. In addition to key participants from academia, the business community, and other esteemed organizations, it's an honor for me to welcome our chief guests, Honorable Sri Sandeep Dikshit ji, Professor Subrata Mukherjee ji, and other respected dignitaries. In the famous Mahatma Gandhi's quote, it says, quote, corruption and hypocrisy ought not to be inevitable products of democracy, as they undoubtedly are today, unquote. Perhaps Mahatma Gandhi saw it coming long before we experience it. Today our society stands at a historic junction, a crossroad where one path leads to a society probably designed around idealistic expectations and the other a cautious, practical and inclusive form of governance. The two paths do not seem to merge as if now. The rhetoric is gaining decibels day by day with a possible showdown just round the corner. Most of us may have heard various opinions